Look at our little crab on the beach. Come here, Krabby. Oh, frog, hop, ribbit. Ribbit!
Are you crabby?
Here it comes. The wave, it's coming. Are you a frog or a crab? A frog. Uh-oh, Liam got all wet. Liam, what did you do?
I fell down.
You fell down in the ocean?
No, my Oreo can't go.
Yes, I...
Want to take camera?
He did.